Okay, hello everyone. This is another property of divisibility. If A divides B and B divides A, then show that A is equal to plus or minus B. Okay, means the value of B can be negative. No, the value of A can be equal to negative B and a positive B. Okay, that is the meaning of this. So what you need to consider here is that is A divides B and the B divides A, right? So let us start. As A divides B implies what? By the definition of divisibility, B is equal to A into C1, where C1 belongs to some integer. B is equal to multiple of A, that is the meaning of that. So where C1 belongs to the integer, this is by the definition of divisibility I have written. Similarly, I am supposed to write down B divides A. Also B divides A implies A is equal to B into C2, where C2 belongs to integer. Make this one as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. Okay, using equation 1 in 2, A implies what? A is equal to, what is B? What is B? You are supposed to write down this value, that is A into C1, A into C1 into C2. Okay, this is nothing but A is equal to A C1 C2. Right? A C1 C2. So what cancels here? A get cancels here. That implies 1 is equal to C1 C2. So that implies even I can write down this one as C1 C2 is equal to 1, right? Okay, so now tell me, what is the meaning of this one? LHS is equal to RHS. So in LHS we have C1 and C2, in RHS we have just 1. The meaning of this one is LHS is equal to RHS means whatever here it is there, it should be equal to this one. So when this will be equal, at what particular value 1 will be there? If C1 is 1 and C2 is 1, right? Like C1 C2, when this is possible? When this is possible, when the value of C1 is 1 and C2 is 1, then obviously we'll get 1. Yeah, that is one possibility. Any other possibility is there? Yeah, it is there. You can see here C1 is minus 1 and C2 is minus 1, and this is 1, so minus into minus is plus 1, so 1 is equal to 1. So here also 1 is equal to 1. So when C1 is plus or minus 1 and C2 is plus or minus 1, this condition holds. So that I am going to write down here in a sentence. This holds only if C1 is equal to plus minus 1 or C2 is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, not or, and C2 is equal to plus or minus 1. That's it. Now one more step is there. Using C2 is equal to plus or minus 1 into, sorry, this is or. Using C2 is equal to plus or minus 1 into you're supposed to use this value, this one implies what? A is equal to B into, what is C2? It is plus or minus 1. That implies A is equal to plus or minus B. Hence we have proved. Okay, these 4 properties are very important. Please learn these properties very well, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay.